In global commodities news, oil prices dipped after the International Energy Agency raised its global supply forecast and cut demand expectations for the year. Now, Brent crude fell to $65.71 a barrel, with US crude at $62.67. Meanwhile, markets are watching Friday's key meeting between US President Trump and Russia's President Putin, set to address the Ukrainian conflict. Additionally, US oil stockpiles rose last week, adding to the pressure. Ariang Energy's Sanali Siwenjobe weighs in on what the shift means for the local energy sector.
Good evening. Oil prices fell on Wednesday after the IEA noted supply overtaking demand this year, while investors await Friday's meeting between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska. Oil traders are tracking preparations for the talks, given that they may result in an easing of US sanctions on OPEC member Russia that could see more supply coming into the market. Prices have fallen this year as the producer group accelerated output hikes despite US tariffs, which continue to add pressure on global demand. Without the European Union and Ukraine at the negotiation table, a ceasefire deal will be difficult. However, the de-escalation, which is in progress, will have a positive impact on fuel prices. Turning to the South African market, according to the latest data from the Central Energy Fund, petrol and diesel prices have again aligned, which is great news for diesel customers, as both petrol and diesel prices have decreased. So for unleaded petrol 93, we see a decrease of 12 cents per litre. For unleaded petrol 95, we see a decrease of 6 cents per litre. For diesel 0.05% wholesale, we see a decrease of 10 cents per litre. And for diesel 0.005% wholesale, we see a decrease of 12 cents per litre. Also, illuminated paraffin has decreased by 8 cents per litre. So these price reductions are due to an increase in diesel inventory, according to the latest market analysis by Bloomberg. It is also due to an easing of geopolitical tension and the strengthening of the rand against the dollar. Thank you.